video started. Kushi, did you install Drupal on live server? Okay, we already installed. Did you follow that video links? Try to implement that video, bootstrap website in Drupal. Okay. There's a folder. So for themes, Kushi, I just send you a one video link email. In that link there is a process how to install sub theme in Bootstrap. Actually we have installed a newer version of Bootstrap theme, that's why we are not getting that particular folder, a sub theme folder in the Bootstrap. Okay, so this I have done manually. Okay, I have just created this folder manually. How I created, just go to Bootstrap and the statics and just copy one of them. I just copy cdn. Okay, this I just copy this folder and paste here in our root theme folder. In our theme folder, right now we are on the theme folder. Okay, in the theme folder, in the themes folder, I just copy that particular cdn folder and rename it to bootstrap underscore sub theme. Okay, after renaming it, I just open that particular directory, then rename the file. There is a cdn dot module file name. I just rename that particular file into bootstrap underscore sub theme underscore info. Okay, just we have to do these two things, these two changes only. Let me show you what is the older name of that particular file. The cdn dot start kit. Okay, just rename this file to bootstrap underscore sub theme in dot info in your copied folder. Okay, and you have to rename your folder name also, folder name to bootstrap underscore sub theme. Then you have to go to your website. And Nazar, you have just sent me your local machine task. In that task, I'm not able to add my local image into the body section. Okay, and there's no option to edit image in any any image field. Did you get the reply on your that task mail? uh, you understand what is the requirement now? Yeah, image editor is not there, first thing, and second thing, we are not able to add yeah image in from local machine. Yeah, there is a option to add image from that visibag option in the body section, but only the URL of the of any particular image. Means we can add live image but not a local image. Okay, if we want to upload image, then there is no option is there. Okay, so you have to create that option also. That module IMC, we already discussed about that module. IMCE module. Okay, and Khushi, you haven't sent me anything of your task. Um, Means sorry, I didn't get you, Khushi. Okay, that's why you asked me that particular video of that day. Okay, 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 no issue. Okay, just try to complete the task today. Okay. Now, after just changing the folder structure, or just copy that particular CDN folder into our themes folder, and changing the renaming the particular file, go to appearances. So slow. One second. Front view and back view. Sorry, Nazar, I didn't get you. Means you are just want to see what is our back end and what is our front end. Means admin panel or our front view. Sorry, I didn't get you, Nazar. Same is the same. Okay, okay. The task. One second. Yeah. One second. My system. What means? Sorry. Yeah, this is Google Chrome. No. Uh, no, it is supported on every browser. WYSIWYG module. You are just asking about the WYSIWYG module, huh? No, WYSIWYG, maybe WYSIWYG. No. WYSIWYG with CK editor. The CK editor library is just support in the live server only. You're getting error because of your local machine. If you try to install in the live server, okay, in this live server, then there is no issue. Okay. Actually, I just check your task in Google Chrome only in my system in my desktop. Just see your task in Google Chrome. It's working. WYSIWYG is working. There is image option also there, but we can insert only a live image only. Okay, I will just check. Means in Firefox is working. Your WYSIWYG module means in the Firefox in the second browser in the Firefox Mozilla Firefox. Your WYSIWYG module is working. Okay, maybe there will be a issue. Maybe your Google Chrome is updated or not? Google Chrome, which version? Okay, let's see. Maybe in basic pages or articles. 1 second. Hmm, this is my server. Yeah, this is WYSIWYG. It is working, and I'm just using a Chrome browser. This is because of, yeah, this is live server. Maybe because of your local machine it is not. Sometimes because of local machine it will not work because WYSIWYG module just use some libraries, extra libraries. So you have to use. You can use these library in the live server only. This is WYSIWYG because of WYSIWYG or not, Nazar? Okay, you have to implement only localhost. Actually, I didn't see that kind of situation, so I will just learn about that particular situation. Okay, and okay, and then describe you in tomorrow's session, or I will mail you. Yeah, block view and page view. We already discussed about this in the last two sessions. Block page and block view. You have to just, yeah, you have to just create blogs, a new blogs. Why it is not opening? Yeah, basically module in this my article is also working here. If you add block, if you try to add blocks, screen frozen. 1 second, it's working from my side. Okay, let just try to log in that particular meeting ID. Okay, I'm just sharing again one more time. It is not working correctly. Kushi, did you get meeting ID? The meeting ID. Can you see the meeting ID on the chat screen? Okay, just join that meeting. Yeah. Now you can see the screen, Nazar and Kushi. Okay. So I'm just discussing about the blocks. In the structure, go to structure. Within the structure, there is an option to add blocks. In while you are adding a new block, then there is an option you want to create a page block, page view and the block view. I am just discussing about the view. You have to create the views. There is option of view also. I just send you page view and a block view, na Nazar. Yeah, you have to create a view option. Just click on go to structure, view, and then add new view. And there is an option create page or create block. Okay, so you have to go after both of these options. Okay, you have to create one block for a page and one block one view for page and one view for block. Okay, first time just use block. Actually, I just we just discussed first about the block view and then page view. Okay. Yeah, there should be view module should be enabled for that. If you don't have view module in your module list, one second. It's taking some time. Kushi, did you understand the task? Is there any confusion? Whatever I have sent you a mail for within maybe there are 4 points. No, no, sir. There is 4 points. Is there 4 points? 6 points. Okay. I connect to this thing. Why it's not working? One second. One second. Okay, so here is the views. Maybe there we get the list. Views. The tab of views is there, and this module. And these module I use for slideshow. Okay, just for using slider. Slideshow module is there, and cycle module is there. Okay, this view module. You need this view module should be enabled. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, for using view. If you want to create a view, this model should be enabled. Now, my mouse is not working so much. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the contextual filter with block view. Means we will add some filter option in our listing. If we just listed a, if we create any block, we can display so many content into that particular block. Means we can display the pages, the articles, or if we create any custom content type, then we can also display the custom content type also. Nazar, okay, let me show you. Okay, there is view. If you click on the views, then you will get the already created view list. Okay, we have created, uh, actually some of view I have created earlier, and some view we already discussed about the some views. Okay, okay, just concentrate on this view. Up, project info. If you click on edit, okay, actually this view is for different tasks. Let's go to our projects. We can display different type of content into view or not. This is the preview of our block view. This is a preview of our view or not. We already discussed, we have created a slider also yesterday with the help of view. Means we just display the image and the title of that particular content, and we just use the slideshow option in that particular view. Then we have created a slider with the help of view. So view is the main topic, you can say. If you want to display if you want to create a slider from the content images, content would be a different type of content, basic page, our articles, or your any custom content type. Okay, so uh, today we are going to add some contextual filter. Okay, for that, let's say I have just added one new field into one. I have created one custom content type. What is the custom content type? Khushi, what is the custom content type? These are the content types. Okay, within the structure, if you go to content type, then it will be list out the our different content types. Okay, so by default we get two type of content: articles and the basic page. Okay, Kushi, are you there? So I have created a project content type. Okay, let's concentrate on this project. I have created, so this is called a custom content type. Okay, Khushi. So this is called the custom content type. Means we have created a content type. With the help of this content type, we will add, you can say, the data of project, different every time a new data for a new project we can add into our website. Okay, Fishy, are you there? Nazar, did you understand what is the custom content type? We just discuss about the custom content type in the start of our Drupal session. A content type, custom content type, and all the things about this. Okay. Now, if you want to add a new field into your content type, how will you do that? Just go to manage fields. You can add a new field from here, from this window. Then that field will be appear for all. Whenever you want to add a content into that particular content type, you will get that particular field. Okay. Okay. Let's say I have added a field designer, means a text field. Okay. I want to add a text field into my content type. What I have done, I just add a text field and give the label plain text, and there is some more options. um, okay, I have just used it, one text field. Term and reference should be there. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I have added let's say we have one designer, a simple text field, a simple text field. Whenever we try to add or edit our content type, we can add or edit that particular text box. We can fill that particular field. Okay, why it is not? Yeah, go to find contents. So let's say we have four project type content. Okay, I have created these, uh, project 1, project 2, project 3, and project 4. These are the content. This list is of content or not? Khushi or Nazar, did you understand how we get this list? This is the list we have added, or this is the main list of our contents. This is the main data of our website. Okay, so I have created these four: project 1, project 2, project 3, and 4. These are the our project type content. Okay, these content are project type. The basic article 1, 2, 3, 4 article. These are the article type content, and the about, demo, and testing in this project is the basic page type content. You can see the type also. Okay, type here: basic page, basic page, basic page. First one and the last three is the basic type, and these are the project types. So I have added my custom content type and added some project into that particular content type. Okay, whenever we just want to add, let's see if we add or edit is the same thing, no difference. I just set a designer. Okay, now I just want to put a block. I just want to, my requirement is, I just want to put a block on every project listed page. Whenever we just try to redirect any project, means project 1, project 2 and project 3, I I want a block in the first first sidebar, and there should be a informative block, and I want to get designer name. Okay, here is a field we have added, a text box, a simple field, text field, a designer. Okay, did you get the requirement, Nazar and Khushi? So I just want to show designer name in the first sidebar. Whenever we try to just whenever we want to go to any project. Okay, there should be an informative block for designer. Okay, now for that I will create a view, same same point view. I have created a view. For that, go to structure. Okay, maybe there is a open now. Okay, let's go to structure and go to views. Okay, one second. Go to views. Then we will get the list of views we have created, or if you want to create a view, then the same thing. Now let's say I have added a view. Hmm, project info. Okay, let me add it. A block view. This is not a page view, this is a block view. Okay, I have added field, only one field. I have added only one field. You can add and just remove field from here. You can add filters from here. Okay, and you can sort criteria also. Did you understand? These are the format also. We have used slideshow for our slider. There is option slideshow. I'm just using unformatted list. Okay, the same option every time. These same option, but we can use as per our requirement. Okay, right now what is our requirement? I just want to show the designer name only. So in this field I just remove the title is comes by default in this fields list, and I just add by using this add option. Go to add and just search here content. Okay, okay, I already added that particular content type designer. That's why yeah, there is a option not project. So you can check this and just click on save. Okay, just apply, then you will get this option into your filter section here. Okay, Nazar, Khushi, are you getting point or not? What we are doing? Yeah, Khushi, are you there? Okay, let's go to project. Let me show you what is our requirement exactly. So this, I want to create this type of block. Here is the information of designer. Okay, the project for designer is GT4. Okay, whatever be the information you have added into that particular text box, it should be appear into this block. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Yeah, Khushi, Nazar, are you there? Yeah, Khushi, did you understand the requirement first or not? Just tell me. For that requirement, I just created a block. Okay, sorry, a view, a block type view. Okay, and just configure that particular view as per our requirement, remove the title field and put this designer field, okay, in the content designer field. And don't need to select option. You can change the name from here, display name project info, or you can just put info of designer. Okay, save it. Then you can say the change. You can see the changes. A simple option actually. You have to know, you should know about the views. Means we can use view in different way. Means from that particular view option we have created slider also. From that particular view option we have created a tab, a quick tab. We use quick tab module also yesterday. Quick tab module and view, with the help of both of these we just created tab also. Did you remember, Nazar and Khushi? So there is different use of that particular, this tab demo we have created yesterday in yesterday's session. In the first tab there is some information. Yes, two block, we can add two block into one tab, means into one kind of block. Okay, Nazar, Khushi? So a small requirement, I just want to show designer name. So I have created a view. Then that view, where how we just show into the first sidebar that particular view. Let me open structure again. Okay, just tell me, Nazar. We have created, okay, we have created that particular view as per our requirement. Okay, a view of block type, and we just save, we just configure as per our requirement. Now I just want to show that view into uh, particular content area in my web page, or you can say in the sidebar first. This is the sidebar first or not, Nazar? This is the sidebar first. I just want to show that particular information in the sidebar first. How I can do that? Khushi? Yeah, yeah, Khushi. From where? Yeah, go to structure. Now, now view, from view we can create that particular view. Yeah, we can create, edit this list of view, from where we can display that view into our main website. Now we have created as per our requirement. Now I just want to display that view. How I can display that particular view? No, go to blocks. Yeah, in the blocks there is a list of blocks. Means in the navigation what you want to display, in the top bar, in the highlighted help bar, there's different blocks, and we can just display different views and different pages into that blocks. So if your newly created view will be listed here in the none section. Okay, can you see these none section? Means where these views will not display anywhere, so it is assigned to none. So after creating your particular view it will display here. So you have to just choose from the drop down the content. Right now, it is content is selected or not. Um, One second. No, no, not content. Content. Uh, Sidebar. First sidebar. Actually, in this theme, in this child theme, the first sidebar name is primary and the second sidebar name is secondary. Okay. Oh, one second. In the primary, we can see this particular view. This view we have created. Okay. The view project info for designer. One second, Nazar, please be online. Yeah, hello. Nazar Khushi. Yes. Okay. So this will appear here. I just selected primary. If I select, actually, whenever you create successfully your view as per your requirement, then it will appear here in the none section. It will assign to not it will not assign to any block. Okay, in this section. Just you have to select from drop down a primary or secondary. Let's select secondary. Okay, I have selected to secondary. Now it will appear into our secondary. Let me save it. Yeah, let me refresh it. Now the information block, a designer and GT4. It will you can say it will vary project to project. Whatever be the entries, that particular entry will be displayed and that on that particular section. Go to project 3. I will show you how we get this list also. Now designer GT3. Okay, Nazar Khushi, is there any doubt till now? Okay, now in the secondary section we are displaying that particular view. One more. Now, after selecting that particular drop down, just click on configure. I will show you some configuration why we just configure the configuration. The reason also. What is this? Yeah, in the secondary, in the dashboard sidebar, bootstrap in the secondary bootstrap sub theme, it is selected the secondary. Bar stick, it is called sidebar first and sidebar second, and rest of the means in the bootstrap theme it is called primary and the secondary. Don't get confused, okay? Because the primary and the secondary, primary means sidebar first and secondary means sidebar second, because in the default theme, our Bartik theme, it will just list of our blocks here: header, help, hide, sidebar first, sidebar second, okay? But in this bootstrap theme we get primary and the secondary, okay? And the content is the same. Now let it be the same, because we have already selected from that particular drop down. Let's go to pages. It will be to display all within the all. 1 second, let me check. Right now the setting is not for all pages. You project here. Confused you in the home page. It should not be displayed on the home page. No, it is not displaying. It is not displaying. Yeah, I have just selected show block on a specific content type. That's why it will displaying only the project type of project content type only. Or you can restrict the page from here also, all pages except those listed. Means you can just put the URL here also, but we have one another option to display the information of designer related to our project content type or not. Nazar and Khushi, the information of designer is related to our project content type, because in that particular content type we have the designer text box or designer input field. Khushi, so we have to restrict that particular block into the only project content type. Khushi, did you understand? Hello Khushi. Yeah. Yeah, role, it is not important. Role. So just after doing this setting, means first means while you are just configuration, you have to check this, okay? While you are configuration, whatever, not only this, if you create articles and if you want to display only information of that article, then you should check only articles, okay? Or if you have any common input field in article and project, then you should select article and the project both. Then this block will display on article also and on pages also. So create that particular view block as per your requirement. Right now we have created that particular view block, and this is the configuration setting, okay? Contextual filter. You have to select one more setting here, contextual filter. Just go to add and select content ID. So it will, yeah, here is the option. If you search the NID, then you will get this. Just check it and save. Apply to, just apply display all. Right now we already done this setting, that's why it is displaying here. Okay, only this setting you have to do that. Then your blog will be display that particular content in that view blog. Okay, Nazar, Khushi, is there any doubt till now? Khushi? Okay, so this is a simple informative blog, how we display that particular informative blog into our main, or only some content type or some pages. Okay, now let's see some taxonomy. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Now we just want we will just want to display we are on the contact page. Once again, we want to add it. Okay, if I go to projects, the projects, I have created a project, a basic page. Okay, what I have done, I have created a project basic page. Within this page, what I'm doing, I'm displaying this is one block. Oh, sorry, you can say view. This is one view, a block type view, and what I'm doing, I'm just displaying all the project into this block. Did you understand? Whatever the projects we have, I'm just displaying all the projects into that particular page. The project 4, project 3, project, whatever the project name, the description, and if we have the type also, if we have image, then it will display the image also. Right now we don't have the image. Let's remove this. Okay, how we do that, Nazar, Khushi? This is a menu link, a project menu link. How we just do, first thing is that, tell me how we do this, how we provide a menu link, a basic page menu link. Now, how we get this menu? If I just want to a new link, blogs here in the menu section, how can I put a new menu? Sorry, yeah, yeah. We have to create a simple page and just select add to menu, and if you want to add anything into that page, you can add, or you can just display any particular view also. How we display particular view into a page? This is a view. Okay, this is a view. In this view, what we are doing, we are displaying, what is this view? One second, let me show you. Edit view. I'm just displaying all the projects, all the content of project type. Project is our content type or not? So I'll just create a view. Go to structure in views. Let me show you. Let's go to structure, and this view option, and I just created from here add new. If you click add new, there is two option of view. First one is page view, second one is block view. I have just created a block view. Here is all project. There is a block view, all project. Okay, this is I have created this view. Let's see how we configure this view. Here is the field list. Okay, by default there is only one field, title. I have added body, image and type also. Okay, if any image is there, then it will display of that particular project. Okay, Nazar. And the filter criteria, yeah, it should be published and content type only project. If you go to add, then filter means just filter our result, means just display only a specific result. That's why we use filters. Okay, Kushi. If you type here type only, then after clicking apply all, there is a one uh, another window. From there you can just check only our project type content. Okay, means if you click here apply, we already done that. Basic page, I just click on this one off, is one off, should be project, just remove this and click on save changes. Okay, no value found on filter content type. Okay, uh, I should remove this, it is added. How we remove? If we add any filter, any field, if I want to remove that particular field and filter, just click on add or rearrange. We can remove this from here and apply the changes. Here is the preview. This is the preview in the bottom. This is the preview of our views. Okay, how our view just display, how what the data it will display and how the data it will display. You can use tabular format also. Right now it is unformatted. You can use tabular format and slideshow and HTML list. There's so many options. Maybe grid will not work because we don't have some horizontal. Okay, let's see, it is horizontal. We need some module for grid view. We will discuss. Okay, it is working, but it is working like this. If new project arise, then it is not good. Let me use a tabular format only, a simple tabular format. We can use the grid, vertical grid also. What format? Just go to format, just click on grid, and you can use the table. Then our data will be displayed as a tabular format. You can change some setting from here, no need to change. If you click here, and now you can see this is kind of tabular format. Okay, means here is the heading. We don't have right now, we don't have image, that's why this block is blank. First, this is the project name, the body. Within the body, this is the description, body description, and the last column is of our type. So same, it will display on our where is all projects. Okay, let me go from here. Let's go to projects. What we are doing, we are displaying a block into particular page. How we display the block into particular page. So it is not refreshed. One second, one second. Should be displaying table of, okay, we didn't save that till now. We didn't save that, that's why we have to save also. Yeah, it is preview. Within the preview, let me save it with save option. No, this is not, I have opened in two places. Yeah, this is our, just click on save. Now let's check again. Yeah, it's saved. Now it is coming in tabular format. Okay, whatever we that we made changes there, it will reflect here. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Now what we have done till now, we have created our block, our view, a block type view. Okay, and is there any other setting? No, don't need any other setting right now. Just save it. After saving it, from where we get this particular block? Nazar, Khushi, just tell me. After saving this, okay, I just assume that I just saved it and just close it. Now what should be the next process? We have created one view. Okay, now where is that particular view? We cannot see that view anywhere. Yeah, I have just made some setting to display that view into this page only. But how we get that view? We have displayed this in the project list also. Same, this is also an example of view. If you click on any particular project, you are getting an informative block or not, a designer name. From where we get this view? How we just configure this view? From which location we just configure this view? Nazar, Khushi? Khushi? No, in the structure blocks. Yeah, we are displaying blocks. In the second sidebar, okay? We are displaying on the second sidebar that particular informative view, but we are displaying this view, the all project view, in the content area. If you, after creating, it will also display like a none in the bottom of your your block list, in the bottom of, one second. This is all project here. Okay, in the bottom of you will get like this. Just you want to same setting, but you want to show in the main content area, so it will display on our main content area. Right now it will display all content area. If you don't configure it, I have made some configuration setting, that's why it is displaying on our that particular page, on that particular page. If I didn't make any setting, then it will be displayed on every page, on the home page also, on about us, and every page, whatever be the page, it will display all project list. But it is not correct. Khushi, are you there? Yeah, if this list will display on every block, in every pages, sorry, in every pages, in the home page also, in the about us, in the contact us, then it is not correct or not. It means same as yesterday we are getting the particular slider on every pages. Right now I have done some changes. Now our slider is on the only home page. Okay, same setting we can make, so that particular block, that particular view block will display on this project page. Okay, this is our project page and this is the view. You can directly configure from here also that view. You can make changes to that view, but how we display? We have selected the content. Okay, after saving that particular view, go to structure, blocks, and just select it from the drop down content. Okay, and just go to configure. Okay, and just okay, one second, just use any other block. Now I'm getting all projects. Okay, after selecting content, it will be on the bottom, okay. So if you get on the bottom, then one second, let me show you. Where's the save option? Yeah, save blocks. Just click on save blocks and just refresh this page. Okay, so this tab option will be above of all project display. I just want to remove this also. You will tell me the process how I will remove this tab demo option from the projects, or how I just put this particular view into a specific page. You are going to tell me, okay, the process. Now just concentrate on this particular view. This view, in this view we are just getting all the project information. Now let's go back and you will get like this. After just selecting the content from the drop down, just drag and drop to the first position of contents. Okay, now this view will display in the first position. Whatever be any other blog views or any other blogs will be displayed after this particular view. Okay, Khushi, are you there? Okay, now yeah, it, but right now it will display in all the contents, all the pages. How we just restrict that particular uh, view into a particular page? Just go to configure. Okay, this content, let it be selected the content, only the listed page, restrict to certain pages. Okay, there is an option listed to certain pages. All pages except those pages you can list out here, the all pages except some any particular page, or you can use only the listed page. So I just copy and paste my URL. Which URL? My this particular menu URL. This is a basic page. We have added this basic page into our menu section. Nazar, this is a basic page or not? We have added this basic page into our menu section. Now, this is the URL because this is our root directory, our website name, and this is the URL. The rest of URL is, you can say, the URL of our that particular basic page. Just copy this and paste here. Now this blog, this view blog will display only to our projects page, projects basic page. Okay, okay, Nazar, did you understand the configuration? Khushi, is there any doubt, Khushi? Okay, So in the content I have selected nothing because I don't want to just show on every content type. No, I just want to show on a specific page. So I just click on save blocks. Then it will, your configuration has been done. You have created block also. Okay, now just tell me if we have this block. Okay. Right now we are getting that particular view block in the bottom of this tab demo. Okay, I just want to display this tab demo. Okay, not. I don't want to display this tab demo here. Okay, in the project on this particular basic page. Did you understand the requirement? I don't want to display this particular view here. How we do that, Khushi? I don't want to display this particular tab 1, tab 2, this tab demo, this particular view. How we do that? Yeah, just go to structure, go to structure. Now blocks or anywhere else. Khushi, just tell me process blocks. Yeah. What is the name of that particular view block? Let me go one second. Tab demo. Okay. So let's search. Where is tab demo? It should be on content area because it is displaying on content area. Tab demo. Okay. This is the tab demo. Now, what is the next step, Khushi? I don't want to display this tab demo on the basic page. Yeah, I don't want to display this tab demo on our that project basic page. Okay, this is our requirement. Sorry, I didn't get you, Khushi. Now, these are the list of our means our website. Actually, let me show you. Let's home. Our main page, our web page is divided. Every theme it will divide into some particular blocks. This is the header section. Okay, this is the sidebar section, sidebar first, sidebar second, the content area. This is the main, in the middle of this is the content area. Okay, the basic dividation of our site, and in the bottom there is a footer. Okay, in the bottom there is a footer. So the blocks, this structure and the block option, yeah, block option will give you the facility that you can show any particular views or anything into that particular block. Okay, content area, help, highlights, yeah, you have to go to configure. Now, Khushi, sorry. No, only the listed page. I have to put here something, a URL of any page. Means this setting will just display that particular block into only this page. Whatever I'm going to write here, means if I write here content slash 11, then that particular tab option will display only on the content slash 11. But What is the URL? Yeah, content slash 11 is the URL of our same page. I don't want to display here. I just don't want to display here this particular tab option. So this setting is wrong. Nazar, can you tell me what should I do? Means I don't want to display this tab option in the my this page where I'm just displaying all the projects page. Here's the project page. Okay, if I click on the project page, first in the top there is a project list, and but after that project list I'm getting the tab demo. If you click on the tab 1, tab 2, then I'm getting some information about the different content. I don't want to display this whole block into this page. How I configure? Content types. If I select any particular content type, then it will display to that content type only. I just I just don't want to display that tab option into that project page only. The project page. What is the project? Project is a basic page. Okay. So I just don't want to display. Last, and what we have done for our project, all project block, what we have done, we have selected only the listed page and the same configuration or not, and means the last block, in that block we are just displaying all the project information. We have used this kind of setting. Okay, now, so why we use this kind of setting? Because we want to display only in this page only. Okay, here is a one option, all pages except those listed pages. Means if you just enter here whatever with the pages, then it will not display on that particular page. Means it will not going to display on the content slash 11 and home page. Only slash. If you use only slash, then it means it is the home page. Just save it. Kushi, did you understand why we use this setting? Yeah, all pages except those listed. Means in this page, this is the URL of our project page. Okay, just say block, and block configuration has been saved, and save blocks here also. Just click save block also, then only it will reflect the changes. Now refresh this. Now you can see there is no that tab option. Okay, one second, Nazar, to see, please be online. वहां से लगा दी। सर अभी 1 घंटे बाद अंदर नहीं जा पाऊंगा बाहर कितने को चिल्लाना पड़ता है, उनको आवाज नहीं जाती, तो धीरे धीरे कहीं को भी कॉल दे
अरे इसमें चार्जिंग भी नहीं है ना सर, चार्जिंग भी लगानी पड़ेगी। Hello, Nazar, Khushi, can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, Nazar, Khushi, can you hear me? Okay, so did you understand the configuration setting means from one view we can do so many tasks. Okay, can't hear me. Issue. 1 second. Hello, Nazar. Now, hello. Can you hear me? Okay. So, do you understand the configuration setting? Now, in this view, we are getting only the listing all project display, only project. There's one more. Where is this view? What is the name of this particular block? 1 second. Let me remove this also. I don't want to display any other block. Table node access block. Table node access block. Okay, just paste the same URL and just save it. Okay. Now we are getting only project list into this page. Okay, Nazar, Khushi. So this is the way you can use view in different kind of way. 1 second. Now, Khushi, is there any doubt till now? Nazar, Khushi. Press this. Okay, let's go to section now. We are going to discuss about some basic information about the taxonomy. What is the taxonomy? How we can use this option in our Drupal website? Okay, Nazar, Khushi. Yeah, we are going to discuss about the taxonomy. Okay, we are going to discuss about the taxonomy. What is the taxonomy and what is the use of taxonomy in our Drupal site? How we can use this? Okay, so taxonomy we can say one kind of classification or tag. Tag. Did you understand tags? What is the tags? Hashtag is the same hashtag you have used in maybe in the linked ID or in any social networking site. Hashtag same as tags. We can just get the information, get the specific information by using that tag. Okay, classified the You can say the categorized information. Khushi, are there? Okay. So by default, we can get only this option. I have created earlier this vocabulary. Okay, this tag vocabulary you will get by default whenever you install this particular Drupal, and if you on the taxonomy option. Okay, let me please be online one more time. Go to my place. Please be online. Nazar and Khushi. आज बहुत बनाया था Yeah, Nazar and Khushi. Now you can hear me properly. Okay. So what is taxonomy? You can say the class, you can say the particular specific information related to each other can be defined, can be set into one tag. Okay, we can set a tag for different information. Means you can say the article, there is the article, we can tag that article. It is uh, this article is related to entertainment. Okay, so all, if we want to just fetch all the entertainment type of article, then we can use about this tags. Okay, so this is called taxonomy. Okay, Nazar, Khushi. In the attribute also, let me go to attribute of add content. Now my internet, the article tags. Okay, there is a, you can enter any number of tags with comma separated. Means you are adding one article. Okay, this is by default or not? Title, tag, body. Okay, this is by default. It will appear with our article type content. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. So let's see what is the tags available for the articles. List terms. Let's go to list terms. Now edit. Just 2 minutes. Back. How we get to list. Go to taxonomy. Add vocabulary. Once again, items will add on tags, items. This should be second. Media, relationship, relationship here. There should be a list, manage field, manage display, manage display. Text setting. Where is that list? Or maybe I wanted to think. 1 second, Nazar and Kushi, please be online. Once more, Tony. What is your URL, Kushi? Yeah, your site URL. We have just installed my site. This should be URL. Yeah, tag is by default. Same thing. Actually, I just want to see the list of these tags already installed tags. There should be already installed tag are there. Items added, not added also, and not managed fields. Name, description, path, URL, boolean decimal note, get particular options. Okay, let's create our own. Let's there should be a list. I don't why I don't get it. That particular list term, added vocabulary, items, no items, not also. My items. Oh my god. What is this? This is a one article. Oh, article here. Okay. Sure. Taxonomy and what we can filter taxonomy. This is only the option.
Oh, no, let it be fine. Okay, taxonomy. We will just. I will just take, understand this thing about the taxonomy in detail. Then only I will just teach you. Okay, and we will just discuss after. Then only we can add the vocabulary also. Yeah, I know, but there should be a list of already created vocabulary for our tags, because this taxonomy and the tags comes by default. There is some tags right now I cannot see. I'm not able to see. Okay, we will discuss about the taxonomy in detail, means what is the taxonomy and how we create the taxonomy. With the help of taxonomy, how we can just short our results. Okay, we will just try to add filters into our project section. Okay, we will just put some different tag into our different projects. Means you can say a development project or designing project, or you can within the development we can filter our project as a our is that project or Drupal or Magento or any other language. Okay, we can just put the filter also and try to just short by using taxonomy. Okay, in tomorrow's session. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Okay, so just tell me, did you install that our C what we say FileZilla? Did you install FileZilla? A software, a simple software, FileZilla software. Yeah, FileZilla, this software. Hmm? Nazar, Khushi? Nazar, did you install this software? Okay, with the help of this software, yeah, yeah, FileZilla. With the help of this software, we can just communicate with our server. Right now, we are using our directly cPanel, but some clients will not give us this detail, the cPanel detail. Okay, they will provide the database and all the things, and they will give you only FTP detail. Okay, let's see how we connect with FileZilla. Let me open my mail. You should know how we connect the from the FileZilla, how we create the FTP account if you have your cPanel account. Okay, we can create our FTP account from here also and connect with that particular FTP. Okay, okay, let me just show you how we connect. Then I will tell you how we create the FTP account. Meanwhile, okay, in the Drupal taxonomy and the rest of the thing we will just discuss in tomorrow. Just try to revise the things whatever we have discussed till now. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, and just complete the task. That task and uh, in the that your video series also just try to implement 2 3 videos, minimum 4 videos today. Okay, try to implement minimum 4 videos in that video series. And what is the important thing? Yeah, FileZilla is important. You can okay, SSH connection also I have to tell you, because you should know about the SSH connection, how you connect with SSH to the server. Okay, let's concentrate on the FileZilla. A simple software, no issue, no big issues. FTP details, some FTP details.
Okay. So whenever any client will share with you FTP detail, then it will provide you the host name, username, and the password. Okay, so just open your FileZilla software. This is your FileZilla software. Okay, put host name here, or you can use from here also. Just click on just below file option, there is a icon. Just click on that icon. You can create. If you create from here, then it will be saved. It will be, their information will be saved, and you can use that information anytime. Okay, now I'm just creating a new site. Let me rename. Okay, one second. Over here, I don't want to connect. Right. Just click on new site, then it will create one more folder into that your FileZilla. Remove this and put any name. But just remember, whatever you have put means this information for Bonnie Travels, means for our cPanel. Now in this put the host name bonnietravels.com and the username. Just copy the username and FTP, plain FTP. Select from here a normal user. Remove this and just paste our username and remove this password and copy the username with copy the password whatever we the given from the client and paste here and just click on connect. Then it will be connected. Now how we just know it is connected? Because the folder directory structure will be appear in our right hand side window. This is the directory structure. Can you see, Nazar, Khushi? So this directory structure for our root public HTML. Okay, root directory structure. Here we can see. One second, why it is hanged. We can see our folder also. Your folder also. Let's go to scroll down. Yeah, this folder is our website, whatever we are doing. Yeah, this is the folder structure. Go to sites also, we can find all modules. Okay, we go to mod all, and today we have installed the sub theme. So go to themes. Yeah, the same folder structure or not? Bootstrap and bootstrap sub theme. So we can download, we can upload, we can edit, we can do all the things from here. Okay, means if we have any php file dot php is there in dot php. One second, let me show you the option how we use dot php file. Not nic, this only nic. But module use, if you want to upload modules, then go to sites, go to all modules. You have to upload a folder wise. Okay, there is no option to extract the zip file. This is our zip file or not, but there is no option to extract that particular zip file. If you right click on that, and there is no option here also. So if you need any folder, then you have to put directly a whole folder. Okay, Nazar, Khushi, did you understand? uh, you can download. Just click on right click and it will be downloaded here in our left hand side window.
many files are there? 14, 20. It will be downloaded. Um, Files are there. I should stop this. I think I just thought this is the small module. One second. So removal. Okay. So from here you can upload or download file of folder, but there is no option in this FileZilla. You cannot extract the zip file, the archive file. You are not able to extract. Okay, did you understand, Nazar? Kushi? So you have to put directly folder. If you have any folder, you need that folder into your website, into your live server. Left hand side is our local, right hand side is our live server. Okay, this is the live server. The folder structure, all the directory is the live server. If we delete from here, it will be deleted from our live server also. Okay, Nazar? Is there? Yeah, you can ask me. Is there any confusion, any question? Actually, because if you join to any company, have to know about the FileZilla. Normally, normally we just use FileZilla only. We don't have cPanel access because in the cPanel there is so many websites, so client will not provide us the detail of whole cPanel. So we should know about the FileZilla also. That's why I'm just actually in the Drupal session is over. So I'm just giving you information about the FileZilla, FTP, how we connect with FTP in the server. Okay, Nazar? Yeah, Khushi, are you there? Do you understand why I'm just talking about this FileZilla, this software? Yeah. So you have to know because in the interview, not in interview, maybe they will not ask you in the interview, but if you join in any company, if anybody asks you just connect with FTP, you have to just download this or within your system. There is all or maybe there within your system already the FileZilla. So you have to connect with this software, okay, to the live server, okay. So how we connect? Just put the information here in just create a new site, click on new site, create a new site. Boni, I just give the name Boni, I put the information, the host name, select from here. I selected the normal user, I put the username and password, click on connect. So my file, my structure has been connected. From here we can access all the files, we can download, we can put, we can edit all the files, we can directly edit also. Okay, just go to devil, just I just want to edit this file, just go to and edit, click on edit, then it will open one editor, one default editor, whatever with the default editor of our system, it will open that particular editor and open that file in that editor. Okay, I just remove this thing and click on save. I just make changes. Means what I have done, I just remove and just click on save. Control S. I just click on Control S. Right now, just save. That's why I'm not getting that option. Okay, I just put D and just click on save. Control or press Control S and I just go back to FileZilla. Then it will just display, yeah, a file previously opened has been changed. Do you want to just upload a new file? If you click on yes, then your this file, the changes has been saved to server. Okay, the devil.info. The changes means I have just removed all the code and paste is, or you can just edit a particular code. You can change the name only. If you want to change, just change the name, click save, Control S and go back to this FileZilla and click save. Then a file has been uploaded and updated to the server. Okay, this is fast process or not, Nazar? Just right click edit, yeah, just change as per your requirement. Because in the c panel if you want to change any file, then there is no directly editor. You have to download the file and make the changes. So there's so many issues in the C panel. Right now we will change only the small things, but if we want to change so many things, so many lines, we have to code so many things, and we just want to just display the result every time, every single time. So the kind of headache process in the C panel. That's why this FileZilla, we use FileZilla also. Every developer use FileZilla, sometimes every many times. Okay, as per requirement. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, is there in doubt till now? Okay, you can download, just click and download, just click and upload if you want to upload. Okay, or if you double click this, then it will be downloaded automatically. Okay, if you double click this, then it will be uploaded. If you double click on the left hand side, it will be uploaded. It is asking, what is it asking? Yeah, this is the same name of that file is already exist. Do you want to just overwrite it? Yes, I just want to overwrite it. If you don't want to overwrite, means sometimes you maybe you lost the some coding, that be careful whenever you overwrite. Okay, or whatever you do, just don't try to, whenever you use the FileZilla option, this FileZilla software, just download a file, means take a backup in any, just create a one folder from here. How we create a folder means, right now you are in the C. 1 second. You can create your folder anywhere, wherever you want. Okay. You can go from here also, in the D drive, in the F drive, as per your directory list, drive listing. You can create folder anywhere, your backup folder. Okay, in the XAMPP also you can create anywhere. Okay, Nazar and Kushi, this is the your local machine. This is your local machine. In the left hand, right hand side, your server machine, means on your server. But you cannot access database from this FTP. You can access only file. Okay, Nazar. Yeah, I will provide you the file, means host name and all the things. Okay, we will see more about this. We can create the FTP. Means okay, you are a let's assume you are a project manager. You are just developing so many projects. If you want to just give the access a particular folder to a particular developer, so you can create the FTP for from your cPanel also. Here is the FTP option, FTP account. Just click on FTP account and just create. There is some configuration setting from here. You can create the FTP account to particular directory. Just you have to add that directory name. Okay, right now this is our directory name. Okay, so that whatever the account, it will be created for that particular directory. Any other directory is not accessible for that particular user. Okay, Nazar. So this is this our FileZilla. Okay, try to, okay, I will just show you in any other day how to create and how to give the FTP detail. A simple, nothing else, no issue. A simple software, simple procedure, simple configuration. Okay, Khushi, are you there? Okay, so this is our FileZilla. Just remember this thing, because they will not going to ask you in an interview, but you have to know the process how we use the FileZilla. Okay, maybe they can ask you. And there is one more way, SSH from the command prompt, also from the command line also we can communicate with the server. SSH connection. Okay, just remember one more thing, we can communicate with our server using SSH also. Okay, okay. So that's it for the session, today's session. Tomorrow we will just discuss in detail about the taxonomy of Drupal. What is the taxonomy? How we can use a taxonomy? We will just try to implement one kind of filter section, category wise or any other particular tag wise. And we will just see more things. There is one drush module also available in Drupal from the command line. It will provide a command line interface. From that interface you can communicate, or you can install your modules or install your themes. Okay, maybe in tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will discuss about that particular module. Okay, Nazar and Kushi, that's it for the session. Is there any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, yeah, or you can send me email also. Okay, if there is any topic, do you want to revise? Yeah, yeah, ask me. uh, yeah, IMC. Yeah, there's a module, IMC module. Okay, you can search IMCE module. Not search to Google. So it will provide you the functionality that you can add images from your local machine. Actually, yeah, we are able to add the images, but only the live images. You can learn about the IMC. My internet, I don't know why. One second, please. IMC module Drupal. It is available for 7, 6 and 8. Right now we are using Drupal 7. Okay, you can download from drupal.org, and here is you can get the configuration setting, the detail how, what you have to do. This is the module. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Okay, recommended installation, clean file name, everything is download from here or copy the link. And install that module and just see the requirements. What is the requirements of a feature? You can just learn about the feature if you want to know about this particular module, why we use this module. This is the main functionality of this. IMC an image file uploader and browser that support personal directories and codes. Means personal directories means our local machine, from our local machine. Okay, Nazar. So Khushi, just try to complete the task, and Nazar, you also just try to complete the task. And if there any issue, if there any topic, do you want to revise that topic? You can just tell me. You can ask me from email also, or you can ask me in the next session. We'll just revise that topic also. Okay, and just revise the thing whatever we have just learned today also in today's session. Just revise all the things. Okay, bye bye Nazar and Kushi. Have a nice day.